Yo, what is up, guys? We're headed to the races. We got the Mustang. It's pretty messed up, but it'll do. We're still waiting on a part. I ordered it from AutoZone, but we don't know if it's gonna get here. So we're gonna go ahead and take off to so we have to put gas, and then we have to go put an alignment on the car, and then we'll head to the races here in Eagle Pass, Texas. This is my buddy's truck, fully built 6.0, ported heads, forged pistons. He'll tell you all about it right now. This is my truck, the one I bought. He is gonna launch it on 4x4. We're seeing what it will do. As you can hear, it has a hood stack. But let's go, man. Let's go get this alignment. Put gas, then an alignment, and then we'll see if our part gets here. Let's go. Yo, guys, so we're headed to the gas station right now. See my buddy's truck. So we are gonna head to the Pilot because it's big enough for the trailer to fit there. And
I ran up a check, I might do it again. Enemies close, had me thinking they're friends. 10 toes down, I'll be free until the end. Crib outside the city, I don't feel safe in my hands. Took so many years, I'm just waiting for the wins. I'm in debt to no one but the one who took my sins. I do it for real, there's no reason to pretend. If I do it once, I do it again.
Yo, we're here, Diamond Garage. We're gonna go to the races, but we gotta get this car aligned. I know it's all like messed up. This was my project car, but I'm trying to finish it so I can race it. So we're here, man. Let's get it.
I'm just doing me, everything is on me. Oh, you matter what? Add it up. Told her if it's all me, everything is on me. Gon' back it up. Matter what? Told you I'ma do me. Why you hating on me? It's not adding up. I do roll like a Mack truck. Country heart, I might cop a farm and go act up. Lot of scars, I was cold-hearted, now I'm back up. Keep it real, I do this once a month, I don't rap much. I just take the money and go stack up. Only buying car to get tatted up. All that other bull, it don't matter much. You only climb me, I put the ladders up. No fault, I done doubled up on the workload. I think I fell in love with the bankroll. Pray up, get money, then we lay low. Add it up, bankroll, euro, peso, add it up. I'm just doing me, everything is on me.
Yo, what is up, guys? It was a good day racing. I had a lot of problems with I don't know if you can see the Mustang. It ripped a pipe, coolant pipe, so it was leaking, so I taped it up. I ran 2 races. I got some videos with the people around that were taking videos, so I got off of that, so I'll show you all that right. I raced this 6.0 fully built. He beat me by a car or truck. Let me just show you what I'm dealing with. Well, I gotta take this off. Man, so much dirt out here. Man, put it down, bro. So, you can see that tape line. I ended up taping it. It worked for one run, but it ripped it again, so I'm gonna have to redo everything. I did put the BMR K member. Y'all can see it. So I put the BMR K member. I did long tube headers, X pipe. It defended itself somewhat, but next time there's races, we are gonna be going at it again with the nitrous kit and 373 gears. I'm also aiming to tune it with the colder spark plugs, so it should be good. Guys, I know y'all see a mess, but I did this in like 4 days. The car was literally like bad, so it's all right. I did this in 4 days. I'm from Midland. This is my week off. My parents live over here, so I had to make something happen with the car, but I did something, and turns out pretty good. I ran 2 races. It didn't break down fully, but you know, I'm just glad that I did get to race again. And Albino, I met this dude today. Where you at? Albino, right?
Yeah.
I met this dude today at the races, man. He helped me. He helped us. My boy Reggie. Say hi, Reggie. What's up? What's up? What's up? This is Reggie. This is his truck, guys. We raced. He obviously beat me by a truck. But it was fun, man.
Just put it in the back of it.
That's my truck.
Yeah, in the back of it.
I'm about to load up the car and call it a day, man. It was really hot out here in Eagle Pass, but we got it done. I got some few races, so I'll show y'all some clips there. What do you do for a living?
For Geico. I do insurance. You want to save 50% in insurance?
How much you make a year?
About 10,000.
10,000, bro. Sir, what is all done to this truck? Give us a little insight on the engine. How much are you pushing?
About 650 to the wheels.
Sheesh. He has a nitrous bottle, guys, but look.
No, it's not a nitrous.
It's not installed yet. We needed some nitrous. Everyone took it off away from us. Let's get it. Oh, he also cut the bed. Just let me show you. So should be kind of fast. We're just waiting on those cars to race, so we can go ahead and race this one. I don't know who he's up against yet, but it should be a good race, man. Stay tuned.
I ran up a check, I'ma do it again. on me.